In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put an outline on text here in Canva. Now, once you have your text on the canvas, just like this, we simply want to click onto that text, come up to Effects just here, and then we're going to use this outline. Now, if we click on there, we can change the color of the outline just here as well by choosing one of the default colors, or by adding your own different color here by using the hex code of that color, or we can even click on this little color picker and we can then choose a color from the design, just like so. Now for this example, let's go back to here. Let's just put that on proper black like that. Now once you have the outline, you can also play around with the thickness by increasing or decreasing this bar as well. So let's put it round about there. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to put an outline on text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.